Hi, can you tell me who you are?
Hi, we're Nick and Vicki from Ohio.
Can you tell me why you chose Lichtsinn RV for your service today?
Well, we chose Lichtsinn RV because we had an appointment at the Winnebago Service Center, and we drove all the way from Ohio, and we kind of had the runaround over there. So I called over here and I spoke to Brian back in November of 23. He said, "Bring it on over here, Mr. Glynis. We will take care of you." And we did, and they repaired everything that we needed. They went over and above the call of duty. Cade, the service writer, the parts department, every employee in this organization is top notch, and the ownership should be aware that they have a great team here.
What
And
did you do for your RV today?
Well, when we brought it, we just had them do a checkup from front to back, the air conditioners, the slides, the condition of the roof. We had some minor things that needed to be done. They really didn't find anything, but it was the peace of mind to have your dealership go through it for the next 20,000 miles we're going to put on it.
Is there anything else you would like to tell us about your experience with our Lichtsinn RV team?
well, actually, we have had experience buying parts and help with some troubleshooting in the past, and that's been a real plus to us as a RV owner. So we've really appreciated that. And then this morning, when we got ready to take off, we realized that we had a
Shower leak.
and we thought, oh no, what do we do now? We were just getting ready to leave. So all we did was go in and talk to Cade, and he said, well, give me a little bit of time. He said, go to the factory and take the tour, and we'll figure out what's going on with your RV. And we came back, and it was relatively minor, but it was taken care of, and now we're ready to hit the road and go back to Ohio. So again, above and beyond, just genuine people that we feel really cared about us.
Service with a smile from the receptionist all the way to every department that we've walked in, and customers reflect that we've talked to. They're sitting here waiting for their RVs to be repaired from many different states.
Right.
We're from Ohio.
Yeah.
And I mean, that says it all.
If we've ever, if we decide to buy again in the future, we definitely consider this first. Absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
You're welcome.